Let us now look at the quantitative pronoun with links. And here, as you will see from the examples, we combine the absolute pronoun with this particular pronoun which you saw in the previous video. In other words, it becomes a two-part response, as you will see in these examples. So, mna, me, kum ndedwa, to me alone. Wena, you, nawe, wedwa, and you alone. Yena, him, nguye, yedwa, it is only him, or it is him alone. Tina, us, kuti, sodwa, to us alone, or to us only. Nina, kuni, nonke, to all of you. Nani, nodwa, and all of you, or you all alone. As you can see from this, the locative link is ku, and the inclusive one is na, and the identifying link is ngu. You do not prefix that to the quantitative pronoun there and there, but rather you use the absolute pronoun form. So you would have to go back to that and make sure you are familiar with that before you will be able to grasp this particular part of the quantitative pronoun. Looking at some more examples. Umtu, the person. Naye, wonke umtu, and him. It can be the whole person, but this is a Xhosa expression for wonke umtu, meaning every person. Let's go to iminwe, fingers. Yiyo yonke, it is all of them. Let us go to amadoda, men. Ngawo, about them. Onke amadoda, all the men. Nawo, odwa, and them only. Isonka, bread. Kuso, sodwa, on it only. Izihlangu, shoes. Zizo zonke, it is all of them. Nazo zodwa. Let's change this to kuzo zodwa, on them only. Imali, the money. Yiyo yonke, that is all of it. Incwadi, the books. Kuzo zonke, in all of them. As you can see, we are still using a two-word response, the first part being the absolute pronoun. And so you will carry on until you get, for example, to ukutya, the food. Nako, konke ukutya, and it, all of the food. Let us now look at how we express quantities using numbers. And you might find this a bit complicated because ideally one needs to have worked through the adjectives first before dealing with this. But in any case, let's see how we go. We use the following stems. Nye, meaning one or another. Bini, tatu, ne, hlanu, tandatu, sixhenxe, sibhozo, lithoba, lishumi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's first have a look at how we use the stem nye, meaning one or another, and in a plural form it can mean some or other. But what you will notice here now in blue is that we now have the prefix in brackets and not the subject link. Because umtu, omnye, from we have got om, vowel coalescence. Okay? Ngamnye, each or one by one. So it's nga and then that mnye part. And of course we can only use the singular nouns here to mean one or one by one, and for some or other you can only use the plural noun. So abantu, abanye, some people. Iminwe, eminye, some fingers. Ikhaya, elinye, one home or another home. Ngalinye, each one. Amadoda, amanye, some men. Moving on, we're not going to cover every example. IsiXhosa, shoes, ezinye, others. Imoto, enye, one. Nganye, one by one. Usapho, olunye, another. Ngalunye, one by one. Ukutya, food, okunye, other food. So from uku we got oku. From ubu we took obu. So again we have had, these are examples of vowel coalescence that has taken place. So using nye, one can therefore say, omnye umntwana ukhuthele, one child is lazy, omnye, in other words we are duplicating the use of the nye. Omnye uyanqena, and the other is lazy. Abanye abafundi baya eklasini emini, some students go to class during the day. Abanye ebusuku. Umntwana ngamnye uza kufumana izipho. Each child, one by one, will receive gifts. So there you have various uses and meanings conveyed using nye. Let's see what happens when we use the stems bini to lishumi, 2 to 10. And because by virtue of their meanings we can only use plural nouns here. But what makes matters complicated is that there is a split, in that numbers 2 to 6 are used in a particular way and 7 to 10 in another. So looking at tina, meaning us, and you want to say both of us, sobabini, so lishumi. And you might ask, now where do we get the so from? It is actually the so from sonke. Okay? And nobatatu, all three of you, and the ba is there because all three of you are Abantu people, so that was nonke, and we only use the no bit. Abantu bo ba bini, bo si xhenxe. So here with 7 to 10 we do not use, for example, that ba. It would have been sonke, but only you take that away, plus the number. Here we had so, and there's the number, and ba comes in between, which is part of the prefix of abantu. Let's have a look at iminwe, fingers. Yo mihlanu, it was yonke, so now we just use yo, and there is part of the prefix, mi. Okay, hlanu, all 5 of them. Yo lishumi, we do not have yo mi lishumi. Okay, so with 7 to 10 we just have the first quantitative bit and then the number. I'm not going to explain this because it's going to become more clear when you do the adjectives. But let's look at IsiXhosa. Zo, zi, bini. There's your zi there. Okay, and then zo and lishumi. Zo lishumi, not zo zi lishumi. Okay, so from the highlighted section above that we can see that the numbers are split, and therefore there are 2 different procedures. And as mentioned before, it will become clearer when you deal with the adjectives. But this gives you an idea. Okay. If you wish to use this particular part of the pronoun or aspect of the pronoun with the links ku and na, for example, you would again have to use the absolute pronoun. Remember, we demonstrated that above. Sobabini is what we've just looked at now. So you can't say ku sobabini, but ku ti, and that ku ti is the absolute pronoun, followed by the sobabini, which is the quantitative pronoun. Nawo, and them, omane, all 4 of the men. Kuyo, on them, yomihlanu, all 5 iminwe. So again, as I say, when you used to use the links ku or na or the identifying link, you have to use that link together with the absolute pronoun. Okay, you'll have to go through this video several times as well as your manual to fully understand what this is all about. And there is a quiz following as well for you to test your knowledge. Inkosi.